So guys, if you want to flash ASCP, Android 16 QPR1 or any custom ROM on your Poco F6 in a clean and professional way, this video is for you. Watch till the end because missing even a single step can lead to boot loop or data issues. Let's get started. Warning. Before starting, make sure your bootloader is unlocked. Latest ADB and fast boot tools are installed on your PC. All ROM files are extracted properly, and you have taken a full data backup. Clean install will wipe all data. I am not responsible for any damage. Proceed at your own risk. Clean install guide, ASCP Android 16 QPR1 Poco F6 Peridot. Step 1, boot into fast boot mode. Power off the device, press and hold volume down plus power button, then connect the phone to PC. Step 2, flash required images using fast boot. Fast boot flash boot.img, fast boot flash init boot img, fast boot flash dtbo.img, fast boot flash recovery.img, fast boot flash vendor boot.img. Important, all images must be from the same ASCP build. Step 3, reboot to recovery. Fast boot reboot recovery, or press volume up plus power button manually. Step 4, ADB sideload the ROM. In recovery, go to apply update. Apply from ADB. On PC run ADB sideload ASCP peridot.zip. Wait until sideload reaches 100%. Step 5, format data, important. Perform factory reset if format data to avoid boot loop, encryption issues, or random bugs. Step 6, reboot system. Reboot to system. First boot may take 5 to 10 minutes, so be patient. Dirty flash from previous ASCP build only. If you are already on an ASCP build, follow the same steps, but after sideloading the ROM, skip format data and directly reboot to system. Common mistakes to avoid: do not mix images from different builds. Do not skip format data on clean install. Do not interrupt ADB sideload process. Always use a stable USB cable. That's it. This is the safest and cleanest way to flash ASCP. Android 16 QPR1 on Poco F6 Peridot. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe for more ROM reviews, and comment below if you face any issues.